Fiber to the home is definitely a game changer for those who have been waiting.
It solved so many of those problems by enabling no splicing in the field, low touch, plug and play, low skilled in order to be able to deploy.
Our traditional method, we build it out in about 6 months. The FlexNAP version of it, we did it in 3 weeks.
Corning has been down to help us, and they will be down when we actually do our deployment, verifying that it goes well for our team.
Products that they have developed that we are deploying now will be something that could be used 50 years from now, and it has the ability to grow and expand.
What you think you might be paying in addition up front, you're going to recapture that 10 times over.
Coming from a small town, feeling like you don't really matter or that you can't make a big difference, and they really take your thoughts and your opinions into consideration.
I have the best job ever. To be able to be involved in something that's going to last likely long after I'm here, it makes me very, very proud to be able to be part of that.